Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wednesday Tarot, and this is your love and work forecast for Aries. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Aries, this is for you, friends, for August. If you know an Aries, you can cross watch it for them. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Wednesday Tarot, friends. Click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Wednesday Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. Also, friends, you can watch the pick a card reading for August. I have already done that. You can also watch the Hindi Urdu versions of these horoscopes reading for your sun sign. I have already done that. Link is in the timestamps on my other channel, Magic Wednesday Tarot Hindi Urdu. So let us see, Aries, how this month will be for you. What is going to happen in your love, work, and career, and what is the theme energy for Aries? The theme of the month for Aries for August. Oh wow, the Five of Wands, Five of Swords. So a lot of changes, big changes. Your heart is saying one thing, Aries, your mind is saying another. There is a bit of conflict between your heart and mind. Also, you could be feeling like a little stressed out this month because I feel there is too much happening. This is a busy month for you. You have a lot of. Some of you could be again working from home, and it may lead you to anxiety. This current world situation may cause you some anxiety, some restrictions, and that may lead you to like, why this is happening. Some kind of that is happening there. Frustration, some money issues also. The Queen of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles. Oh, wow. So, definitely a conflict between your head and your heart is there, Aries. Also, choices in love are coming. Yay. So, some of you another thing is, Aries, this month you will have to really work hard balancing your career because you are going places in your career. Money is coming, you are going well, doing well in your career, but at the same time, your love life is also kicking up. So you are like, you will have to take extra time to balance it all. You are busy and even at your work, when you everything is going in your favor, Aries, you may still feel like something is missing out because you are not able to give enough time to your love life, so or your life in general. So you will have to work very hard to balance this month because you have the love and luck both are yours, Aries, and it you may have to just choose one thing or the other because this is a busy month. This is a very 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 busy month for you, Aries. So you will have to decide which will you go with your luck or will you go with your luck, and you can go with both if you are a wonderful manager and if you try to balance out and keep your expectations a bit low, friends. Yes, also this is a very fast month, so before you know it, it's over. So you will be very busy, friends. I see money coming your way, I see a promotion coming your way, but at the same time, this promotion or this money or this job could mean you have to travel away from the family, away from your work, away from your home city or something. So that may lead to conflict or confusion. So whatever happens good in this month will actually have certain other aspects also, which will make you feel like duh. And also choices in love are coming. You may have two people proposing you, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So choices in love are coming. Two people are fighting for you, Aries. Oh, let us see your love life, Aries. Oh my god, your cards are jumping out like your month. It's going to be a jumping, leaping month for you. Before you know it, it's gone, and you'll be seeing the September readings. So let's see. All right, the Two of Swords, the Seven of Swords, the Ace of Wands. Aries, their love life. The Hermit, the Six of Pentacles, the Page of Cups, the Knight of Cups, the Justice. Oh my god, your cards are really jumping out. I don't know what's happening. This doesn't usually happen unless the energy is very, very, high. Nine of Cups. What else will happen? The Seven of Cups, the Ace of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, and yes, Two of Wands. So finally, good things. You start the month of August feeling very, very excited. There is a new excitement coming in your love life. Some of you could be feeling confused about what is happening in your love life, Aries. Some of you could be actually unsure which person to choose, or whether to stay single or to even say yes to a new person. But all those confusions will get over at the start. In the first week of August, you will feel very excited, you will feel sure, you will feel confident, you will know exactly what you want to do in your love life. I also see someone from the past who was ghosting you, who was blocking you, Aries. That person is coming back, or you guys are going to talk and come and reach to a amicable solution, reach to some excitement, reach to some exciting new start. And I think this person is going to message you, Aries, or you might message them yourself, and that will be exciting and a fresh new start in your life. I also feel if you are really, really single, some of you could actually be attracting a new romance in the first week. It might start as some friend zone person is there, or secret admirer tries to message you. But I think there is love and there is excitement on both sides, there is a passion on both sides burning here. In the second week of August, Aries, you are feeling a little off love because you're busy, your focus is on money, your career is expanding, you want to focus there. Also, your person may also be a little like, I want to talk to you, I have emotional needs. But you will have to balance that out, and your person will have to understand that, Aries, you have your time, your work needs your time, you have other commitments also. And your person may also be behaving a little childish or immature in the second week. So you may have to be the mature person here, Aries, because you are busy and you have other things, and your person may behave like a little childish, like they are throwing tantrums. Hey, why are you not picking up my phone? Darling, I was in the middle of a surgery. I'm a doctor, you see. That kind of a situation may happen for you. I was just giving you an example. But you are busy, and your person may act needy, or um, also there is another thing happening, Aries, that the person who was talking to you in the first week may suddenly disappear in the second week, because they are also busy, or some mood swing has happened to them. So talks may be less in the second week, but don't worry about it, because in the third week this person is coming back again with an offer of love and a token of love, and they will be taking you out on a date, or you will be spending some happy times together, going on parties, celebrations, spending more time, online talks together, dates together. And yes, your love life will definitely be moving forward in the third week. Also, some of you, this person could be visiting you, or you could be visiting them. You might also go on a trip or a holiday or a vacation or a weekend stay with them, a staycation with them. Justice, yes, I do feel that all the confusions will finally resolve in the third week. If your person was suffering or hanging with a third party, or there were legal issues in their life which stopped you and this person from coming towards you, I think that will be resolved in the third week. Another thing is, friends, you will have a choice in the third week to leave this person and move ahead, to choose to stay or move on. You will definitely have a choice in the third week to stay or move on. So the third week is very important, because justice is here, so something big will happen, and something not, but something big in a very positive way will happen for you. Let's see the final week, Aries. Ace of Pentacles. Yes, this is a new start in your love life. Yes, finally things are moving to taking roots, taking shape in your love life. Yes, commitment is coming. I do feel that you will have more than one partner offering you commitment, but I think you know who is the right person for you, and you are going to get that. You are going to go with that person, the one who is mature, the one who is stable, and the one who is always there with you, the one who is also somebody who you work with, or someone you study with, and someone who has puts in effort and has all the patience and time to understand and value your hard work and your career also. So, Aries, your person will be definitely working very hard to impress you in the final week. And I do feel a new start. First it was a passionate start, but at the end of August you will finally be very much in love, and it would be a solid commitment for you, Aries. Let us see for advice for you and then your career. Advice for Aries. Obstacles and challenges. Yeah, there are certain obstacles in your love life, like your head is saying one thing, your heart is saying another thing. Also, you may be caught between two people, like you are married to one but you're emotionally attached to someone else, or there are two people, you are not married to any one of them but you are in love with two people. So some confusions and some challenges are there. You may be missing somebody, Aries. You are recovering from an emotional loss. You may be missing that person. They are also missing you, somebody from the past. And patience and planning. Yes, remember that planning is very important. Patience is very important because you are very busy this month, and because you are busy, some certain communication errors may happen. Like you may get angry or frustrated not because of your person, but because life is so fast and you don't have enough time, so you may snap. So that you should not do. Base chakra, yeah. You there is a lot of attraction, a lot of physical attraction between your relationships, Aries. And also at the same time you may feel a little jealous. You may also feel like if someone is with anybody else, you may feel like, oh my god, is that person with anybody else? So you may feel jealous. You may feel like, oh, what will happen if they leave me? So there is attraction, at the same time there is jealousy. So there is, you got to keep those things in balance. That's all Aries energy, isn't it? Let's see your work and career in August. Ooh, mental conflict. Yeah, that's exactly what you are having at the start of the month only. The Ace of Cups, the disruption, the Moon, Four of Wands, and spiritual union. So yeah, I do feel that some of you are actually feeling a little confused whether you should leave a job or start a business. Should you start another side hustle, like a side job, side business? Should you go abroad? Should you follow your heart? Should you follow your mind? I feel like, this conflict, actually the root is, what do you love? The things you love, that you should do in your career and your studies. If you love science, go for it. If you love, like, if you hate maths and you continue to study it, even if you are good at it, somehow or the other you may end up feeling like, oh my god, what am I supposed to do here? So focus on things you love this month. That will help you in your career, that will help you in your studies also. If you have no work, if you are currently out of job, there is going to be a new job, or some passionate project is going to start. Like you may start doing some social work, you may start your business venture, and it will be something that is coming out of deep love from you. You will feel very passionate about this also. This will bring a lot of foundation, this will bring a lot of achievement for you in the future. So this, whatever you start in August or working on August, in August, it will actually will be giving you success till the coming months. Like for next 2-3 years you will reap the success of the hard work you have done in August. Another thing is, friends, sudden changes may happen in your work and career or studies this month. Like suddenly you may decide, like, you want to go off on a weekend trip, you want to just not work anymore, you want to start gardening, you want to quit your job, go on a pilgrimage or something, go hiking, start your own cake business. I don't know what you are up to, but certain changes are coming. But these changes are good and blessed because they are taking you to the road which is your destiny. And also, one thing, you will be finding the right kind of people. You will have the right business associates, you will meet the right people, guides to help you, friends and colleagues to guide, support you on your this new journey. So Aries, this is a wonderful month for you, but you have to keep two things in mind. First, find balance between your heart and your mind. Your heart and mind both are in a tug of war. They are like, I want this, I want that, east or west. But you have to find a middle ground, that will be good. Also, fear is false appearance, evidence appearing real. Fear is not real, it is always false. So try and figure out, like, what is real and what is false. So things are not as bad as you may fear they will be. So try to keep a positive approach in your work and studies. And let us see some advice for you, Aries. Oh, friendships and union. Yes, friendships are very important for you. Good people are coming, good guides, good business associates, good lovers. Learning experience, yeah friends, you may face certain loss or some kind of like a wake up call in some way, but or if you face some past, if you lost something in the past, Aries, don't worry. You have you this it there was a reason for it. There was a lesson in it and you have learned it. The love still remains strong between you and that person, and divine timing. Yes, the divine timing is at work in your work, love and personal life. All areas of your life, Aries, are under divine timing. So don't worry, please. And oh my god, where is that card? My god, hide and seek, huh? Your luck is playing hide and seek with you. I keep getting that song, begging, I wanna be begging. You know that new song? It's very popular, that new song. So it's like you're begging or someone is begging for you. Lion, it's time to act. Yes. Kangaroo, unsettled times, you need to plan ahead. So that's what I was telling you. Whatever you do in August, it will affect your life in the coming 2 or 3 years. So long-term success is there. Weeping willow, family sorrow. Yeah, some of you may be feeling sad about some family situation. Some changes are coming. Rose, romance is in the air for you. Skull, hidden secrets can harm you. Yeah, hidden fears can harm you. Fears which are not real. Be aware of great pride. Yeah, don't be too proud. Keep your life in balance. Keep your head and heart in balance. Victory is coming for you. Ram, an aggressive, stubborn person. Yeah, there is a person who is an Aries, Leo, Sag. July is important. Scissors, disappointment in some affairs. April, somebody born in April or July is important. Rooster, an arrogant, boastful person you should not cross. Yeah, you may also feel a little angry about the pace of, because August is very fast for you, so you may feel a little irritated. Staff, you will be taken care of in a difficult situation. Spear, heartache over what you are missing somebody from the past, friends, Aries, or they are missing you. July, April, July, and December are important. And a new job. Yes, a new job or a career is coming for you. So well done, Aries. A great August to you. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Wednesday. Join us on Insta, and to buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.